What's up everyone? Another day, another gratitude. And may kwento ako today. Ngayon, kakatapos ko lang mag-basketball with my brethren sa church namin. And I just want to say this gratitude that nakakapag-exercise ako kahit na busy ako sa buhay minsan. Pero there's a time pa rin talaga na privilege sa akin na magkaroon ng time to work out, to exercise physically. Ngayon, kakatapos ko lang, kanina nag-basketball kami, I really enjoyed it. And ang sayang kalaro ng mga kasama ko, kaibigan ko sa church. And tuloy ko sa kanila mga kapatid na rin na physically. And masaya, sobrang saya. And after that, syempre, gutong, ganyan, di ba? Kakain with my family. It's Saturday today. Saturday, I'm with my wife, my beautiful wife, Angela Feliz, and my daughter, Mika. There. So, kahit nakakain kami sa labas ng mga gusto kong kainin, na hindi naman ganun ka-healthy, sabi nga ng wife ko, it helps me to think positive na, nakapag-exercise ka, so you deserve to eat. Less guilt. So, that's my Mika Panto today, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye!